tun tum video chuan ama kan chiat bak chi Bipin Chowdhury lapse of memory ami part 2 atang han kan chiat vele tandona page 62 khan ani ama kan tiang thavin a story kan chiat chole phutanga hnuwa kan sei fiale don nia Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Bertram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. He told the driver as he got into the car, "Just drive by the Ganga, will you, Sitaram?" Driving up the Strand Road, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. He had never been to Ranchi, no question about it. It was inconceivable that he should forget such an incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. He had an excellent memory, unless Bipin Babu's head reeled. Was he losing his mind? But how could that be? He was working daily in his office. It was a big firm, and he was doing a responsible job. He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong. Only today he spoke for half an hour at an important meeting, and yet the man knew a great deal about him. How? He even seemed to know more intimate details. The back of books, wife's death, brother's insanity. The only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi. Not a mistake, a deliberate lie. In 58, during the pujas, he was in Kanpur at his friend Haridas Bakchi's place. All Bipin Babu had to do was write to. No, there was no way of writing to Haridas. Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Haridas had left with his wife for Japan some weeks ago, and he didn't have his address. But where was the need for proof? He himself was fully aware that he hadn't been to Ranchi, and that was that. The river breeze was bracing, and yet a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. Around Hastings, Bipin Babu decided to roll up his trousers and take a look at his right knee. There was the mark of an old inch-long cut. It was impossible to tell when the injury had occurred. Had he never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee? He tried to recall such an incident but couldn't. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee, the man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time. The best thing surely would be to ask him. He lived quite near, in Beninandan Street. What about going right now? But then, if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for a confirmation? He would probably conclude Bipin Babu was going nuts. No, it would be ridiculous to ask him. And he knew how ruthless Dinesh's sarcasm could be. Sipping a cold drink in his air-conditioned living room, Bipin Babu felt at ease again. Such a nuisance. Just because they have nothing else to do, they go about getting into other people's hair. After dinner, snuggling in bed with one of the new thrillers, Bipin Babu forgot all about the man in Newmarket. Next day, in the office, Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. If the man knew so much about Bipin Babu, how could he make such a mistake about the Ranchi trip? Just before lunch, Bipin Babu decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. It was better to settle the question over the phone. At least the embarrassment on his face wouldn't show. 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 6. Bipin Babu dialed the number. Hello. Is that Dennis? This is Bipin here. Well, what's the news? I just wanted to find out if you recalled an incident which took place in 58. 58? What incident? Were you in Calcutta right through that year? That's the first thing I've got to know. Wait just a minute. 58? Just let me check in my diary. For a minute, there was silence. Bipin Babu could feel that his heartbeat had gone up. He was sweating a little. Hello? Yes, I've got it. I've been out twice. Where? Once in February, nearby, to Krishnanagar, to a nephew's wedding. And then, but you know about this one, the trip to Ranchi. You were there too. That's all. But what's all this sleuthing about? No, I just wanted to. Anyway, thanks. Bipin Babu slammed the receiver down and gripped his head with his hands. He felt his head swimming. A chill seemed to spread over his body. There were sandwiches in his tiffin box, but he didn't eat them. He had lost his appetite. Zong ka story tu niya abulten kan innun le don ni a video masalama kan a story ti lam kan the to mi pakatin pu bepina aron hai thu khan niya chan bepin babu te chan bepin chowdhury ti babu ti khuswan an zana pu an ti nang de kha an maya mi ngai reng thau kha an ya chuan kha kan sia a thon tu kha ta hian a chun zom le ta ani. Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Bertram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. Bipin Babu car chu parked in hung or safely him takin Bertram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema by ti chu bula tinani Lighthouse Cinema bula Lighthouse Cinema ka Bertram Street ta tinani chu an cinema bula chuan him takina in park ka in hunga. He told the driver as he got into the car. Karalu pa chuan driver chu ti hian sela. Just drive by the Ganga, will you, Sitaram? Sitaram, Ganga well Bora Khan. Watan Kual Maite Tatani. Driving up the Strand Road, Kongpui Minganile Maya. Strand Road Uncle Lachon, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. Regret itu in cheer, Tinania past tense, Anivangin, regretted Arantitani. Having paid so much attention, Ruru. Apetam le lutuk chu attention ru pe tamle tuk chu intruder ti chu phalna lewa inaron lut te intruder antu thina heta ero chuan ama rombe ver ngot tu asoina kha ani rombe boy ver ngot tu kha intruder ti na soitani. He had never been to Ranchi, no question about it. Ranchi achon alakal ngai lo sim no question about it. Boy na tur pom lo Ruru zo boy ngai po omlo, no question about it. Chiang til chiang sa ani tinani mai. It was inconceivable that he could forget such an incident. It was inconceivable ti chu omlo lutuk mo. He should forget thengil such an incident til theng khatiang til theng mai thengil kha omlo lutuk which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. Took place so theng kum rukemo kum saremo ago kalta atheng mai tu na han thengil le kha omlo lutuk tinani. He had an excellent memory, excellent chalutuk memory chu kan se rang na unless anilo ngamothil dang anilo chon anten an ngai to wangwanga. Bipin Babu's head reeled je chu kan le khabu min pe he was shocked and confused fetiam lo mo ru boy ngai to boy tinani. Was he losing his mind? Ruru lo time me mo mind ruru losing lo tibo losing and lawa ku losing te lam toran but how could that be? Masen tinga chu teng te ni thayang. He was working daily in his office daily nitin na thok nitin na thoka. It was a big farm lian tak mai near farm ti hi je chu hete la tang kan thia thiam dan thei dan tur chuan company tinang deu ni mang chu company lian taka thoka spelling ko enching ru FARM ani lo ko FIRM ani ko, and he was doing a responsible job. Doing the responsible tak job chu na tak thok lai mek ani boka. He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong till nganiang nasataka kalsual po ala sangai lova aware ya anything and po ever going seriously wrong serious taka ati diklo po ala sangai lo ni. Only today he spoke for half an hour at an important meeting. Only today when my pokhan he spoke for to soy trong half an hour dakarchan ve at an important meeting poimo taka till ala soy dakarchan ve lai thu ala soy the ni, and yet masala inang na mai and yet the man knew a great deal about him. Masala chu pa chuanin ama chung chang chu ase hle mai box ya how intingani the. He even seemed to know some intimate details. Seemed nielang kan satin ka even bok na an chu ta chon intimate mimalthil details chipchiar mimalthil te po chiang takin ase box ya. The back of books back chunga alekha budate wives death at anupui thi thute brothers insanity auna pa athute. The only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi. Only mistake ati solam chunchu Ranchi akal chungchang soi chau khani. Not a mistake ti sol point lo deliberate lie. Deliberate ti chu tum lui ti lui lie dot soi lui zokani. In 58 during the pujas ngariat kum puja lai khachuan he was in Kanpur at his friend Haridas Bhakti's place. Kanpura atchen pa Haridas Bhakti ina place mun ania ta chon in kantaman so ina man kha. All Bipin Babu had to do was write to. No, Bipin Babu na titul chu write to titul lekhathon tinani mai lekha vathuna nilelo. There was no way of writing to Haridas. Haridas achu lekhathon ngai na umlo lekhathon theidan umlo. Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Haridas had left with his wife for Japan. Bipin Babu chuanin Haridas akha anupui na Japan left for Japan pana some weeks ago kar engmazakal ta an chua thu kha asa chuak le thut maya suddenly thut and he didn't have his address po ani box ilawani. But where was the need for proof? Ma se enge proof anga ina ti chenna amamona ani chongem mi. He himself was fully aware that he hadn't been to Ranchi, and that was that. He himself fully aware he hadn't been to Ranchi. Ranchi alakal lawani ti chiang that was that to talk rengalom mo. The river breeze was bracing. River mo lui breeze ti chu tifim bracing chu nuam comforting heta stimulating atia nuam hadam thak ta poning chu. And yet a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. Yet masala amero chu slight chu tlem discomfort nom launa lingered chambang in Bipin Babu's mind. Ruru Bipin Babu ruru chuan nom ti che launa de we ala chambanga. Around Hastings velbora chuan lai mun soina ni mai veng soina. Bipin Babu decided to roll up his trousers and take a look at his right knee. Bipin Babu chuanin decided tumeng ta chuan roll up the chu thlep chho his trousers chu kekor tlon and look at his right knee. Akhub ding lam chu en atum ta there was the mark of an old inch long cut. Tuta chuan khu pa chuan inch khat vela say inch long inch khat old lui cut chu liam emo ti kakna emo nu ma chu lo nge ya It was impossible to tell when the injury had occurred. It was impossible to tell, when the injury had occurred. When to hun injury to in liam na occurred theng intiklaya to an liam na theng chungeti asia thei to chung lo ani. Had he never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee, he tried to recall such an incident but couldn't. Had he never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee, no pang ni lain as a boy, mo mi pa no pang ni lain and kluk te a khu phan ti pil te an ngai le vim mi. He tried to recall to se chuak le try to tum se chuak le an tum ngia la such an incident to thil theng such an incident at it chuan chu te hang thil theng chu se chuak le an han tum ngia la but couldn't a thei lova. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee. Chu ti la chuan Bipin Babu chuan suddenly thought of ngai to thut Dinesh Mukherjee chu angai to chuak ta thut maya. The man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time. The man chu mi pa khanin said kan ti kha Dinesh kha Ranchi at the same time chu mi hun live vek chuan om ve ti kha soi lang take. The best thing surely would be to ask him til taber chu surely chiang take til taber chu vazo mai kha taber mai ni. He lived quite near at napo ala le nem quite among me kan say chin chu quiet quiet ne kan se polo to ni chu quiet ania QUIET quiet chu QUITE quite near nai angreng tinani in Beninandan Street chu veng ming ni le maya. What about going right now? To na po bakal ngal mai la nge po. But then amaro chu if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for confirmation? Maro chu Ranchi chuan lakal ngai lo tak ta sela Dinesh Khan Bipin Babu Khanin confirmation ati chen na kha vadil ta sela vazo chiang ta sela entin nge Dinesh Khan along ang ti khang to le ta thut mai ni. He would probably conclude Bipin Babu was going nuts. He would probably mai thei nge yadin tinang chi kha mai thei ai chon alan ni mel timang and nge inarin conclude the siam Bipin Babu was going nuts ti chu Bipin Babu chu ta ni alo ngai nge sia. No, it would be ridiculous to ask him. Ridiculous za thak mo moilo chi lo ani zo chu za thak lutukang tile tasini. And he knew how ruthless Dinesh's sarcasm could be. Sarcasm chu chai nge ruthless chu nge nyang nun rong mo nge tinan chu ruthless chu nun rong tinan te pon manga ta chon nge Dinesh na fiam thua a chaina te angai zia thin zia mo huat thalak zia te kha se ve kar boxi sipping a cold drink in his air conditioned living room. Sipping ti chu sip sip chu til tem in chi tem te in hlep hi cold drink in his cold drink chu kan samaya air conditioned living room kan ti chu tiang chuan sitting room kan ti hin maya air conditioned ani chuan AC room nani mai. Bipin Babu felt at ease again. At ease chu hadam dev Bipin Babu chu alo halam dam le ta dewa such a nuisance nin lutok thil nin lutok nuisance tu nin nok sak nani. Just because they have nothing else to do, they go about getting into other people's hair. Just because wang main till the to dang an nei lo wang main they go about getting into other people's hair. Ti choi ta po min pe hey omzia chu mi ti boy mi chai boy rang ti to dang nei lo wang mai mi chai boy rang lom mai ti nani After dinner, snuggling in his bed with one of the new thrillers, Bipin Babu forgot all about the man in Newmarket. Dinner, tlai cho zan rian nu chuan snuggling mulum kuma mulum pa le ale khabu pakhat thrillers pakhat chiar pa chuan thrillers kan ti hi ton thung ai nom ru la deuh ho hi thena chang phei chuan ton la phei chuan thlasang lam pang deuh soinan te po thlasang thon thu lam pang soinan te pon hang ve thin ne ani la pon ru ha na deuh film ang chi te po hi thriller te pon te thin ni Bipin Babu chuan in Newmarket ta mi pa a to chung chang chu a theng le ta vek maya. Next day in the office office chuan Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. Bipin Babu chuan thil a hriat chhuat ani ya notice chu hria hria kan han te khan chin chhia bik every passing hour dakar tin mai avei pa chuan previous to masa days encounter to in huna ani masa anin huna athil ton was occupying lua more and more tam tel of his mind ru chu alwa tam tel mai ti ashia. If the man knew so much about Bipin Babu, how could he make such a mistake about the Ranchi trip? Khapa khanin Bipin Babu chung chang so much tam tak ashia ni chuan eng tin nge how could he mistake Ranchi trip chung chang khan eng tin nge khate na sa taka ati sol thei mai le tinangai to a ru lo na sa le ani. Just before lunch, Bipin Babu decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. Lunch chun chol ma chi chuan Bipin Babu chuanin ring up phone called Dinesh Mukherjee ka phone tumta it was better to settle the question over the phone na in biaka soi fel mai chu thazok in a better thazok settle the fel question zona over the phone kal tlang in. At least the embarrassment on his face wouldn't show. At least tal tlembera embarrassment ichu zana on his face mel azak mel chu wouldn't show lang tilang azak mel chu alang don lo ani 235616 is a phone number khanimaya. Bipin Babu dialed the number. Hello, is that Denise? This is Bipin here. Well, what's the news? Kai, hello, Tini. I just wanted to find out if you recalled an incident which took place in 58. I just wanted to find out. If you recalled an incident, incident which took place to Teng Tinatoni in 58 till Teng Chung Chang Kha ingai to chua le them ti karon chedu mai ania tini 58 what incident 58 amo until Teng mo tini. Were you in Calcutta right through that year? Were ti tur kan ti to kha kami through that year right through tluanin kami kum khan Calcutta kum tluanin I omem. That's the first thing I've got to know. Chu kathil sia du masak ber chu ni. Wait just a minute kat relo te milong halok ngaret mo. Just let me check in my diary. Ka diary kan en lok nge. For a minute there was silence chu thom lo re thiep minute khat chung wel chu re thap maya. Bipin Babu could feel that his heartbeat had gone up. Bipin Babu chuanin could feel sathai heartbeat lungpu had gone up rang tu tul lungpu chu arang tu te sathaya. He was sweating a little sweat than tla a little claim in a than te po choron te trim boka. Hello, yes, I've got it. I've been out twice. Kaseta I've been out kachuak twice voin ni chu kachukani. Where? Khoya once in February nearby to Krishna Nagar to a nephew's wedding. Wakat na chu February nearby. Naite Krishna Nagara to a nephew's wedding. Nephews to unaute fapa te hi o. May Satan chuan va pa te pon theng chu wedding in na and then chuan chu lo le chuan. But you know about this one. Masay chu nang pon siang chu. Oh, the trip to Ranchi kal chung chang kha. You were there too nang po I ve kha. That's all chu jong chu ne mai. But what's all this sleuthing about? Masay sleuthing to eta hey investigating titani. Investigating kanti omje chu chui chiang oh detective ten athil an chui te investigating 10 to 3 na enge chung thil te chu ron zo chian chiam tak mai aran tini no I just wanted to anyway thanks en vak ni lave thil kan en po ni sela kalome tini ari de ne tinani chu Bipin Babu slammed the receiver down and gripped his head with his hands. Bipin Babu chuan and slam da ari chuai beng chuai receiver kan ti chu phone na telephone landline phone te pokon mu to thina khata angai thana le tong na lai kha down beng chu angat so maya and gripped ti chu mer cham man ku tam mer vel hini his head with his hands alu chu aku chuna ber chot ma he felt his head swimming chu tui cheng tro head swimming alu tui cheng tina mi niang nilawang tro amje chu alu chu aver moi hina suya tina le theng chu a chill seemed to spread over his body chill chu vatina ataksa chu vatina hian in spread chu in zar par lo pungzel pum pui mai chu aron tham ni hina suya chill hetai en lok ang ma soi du lok kan ne hetiang ll atop che re hi chu lam thui lo lam toy turan lam thui lo tur chill ti to ne chill ani lo chill hill te kan tia il sil te po ma til ti theng te pon engmo dang polom kha a double chuan lam toy mak turani There were sandwiches in his tiffin box. A tiffin box chuan sandwich but he didn't eat them. Mase ai du lawan ai lo. He had lost his appetite. Appetite ti chu til ai tuina til ai chak na lost chu lo nei to lo. A til ai chak na zong about to vek to ani. Tia lai khati zong kha pa tu chu ani la hen ma mi ngok comprehension check lom le Number 1 why did Bipin Babu worry about what Perumal Gose has said? And when Bipin Babu khan in Perumal Gose til se chung chang kha alungai pha em mo angai to zui na sat em te poning chu how did he try to decide who was right, his memory or Perumal Gose? Athil sia jeng na nge Perumal Gose kha dikjok ti kha entin nge fin fi atum tak kha tinang do anang chu why did Bipin Babu hesitate to visit Mukherjee? And when Bipin Babu khan Mr. Mukherjee visit lo kha hesitate chu se toy sut kan tinang chi ta po hining chu and when Mr. Mukherjee kha atlo se why did he finally decide to phone him? And when phone mai kha atum tak zok what did Mr. Mukherjee say? And Mr. Mukherjee khan nge lo soi did it comfort Bipin Babu kha lo comfort ti chu thamwan omnom tir ru hadam or add to his worries worries alung aina khan abelem ti na ani tan heng answer te hi video to pa hian ka da le question number khan ma mi yang kha question number 1 2 matro ma khan chumi chu a number kha karon pek chun zom zelani atia 1 asan pa le 11 karon pek chun zom zelani khang ho kha lo copia lo thiam turani ngatin astoria kha voithum tal lo chiar so to mala kan chiar point ari nge in chiarila chu chuan in English kan tong huna po kan mui kan ka kan lei exercise anga English lam kan ol sampha le zol don ani oh